Hi guys, it's Anya. You probably don't remember me anymore. I actually kind of forget how to make videos. It's been so long. It's been like 5 months, I think. Oh my god. Wow. I'm so sorry. It's not that I haven't tried to make a video. I have. I've made like 7 or 8 videos. It's just every time in the middle of making a video, the storage runs out, it gets too dark, like there's always something. Do you like my new background setup thing? I just did it. It's really cute. I went to Paris for Christmas, which was amazing. Like, if you ever get the chance or if you want to go, definitely do go. It's just unreal. Definitely the best holiday I have ever been on. And we go on a lot of holidays. It was just so good. But while I was there, of course I did a bit of shopping. Of course. We don't have Sephora in Ireland or Kiko. So of course I was like jotting down the lists of like what I want to buy in Kiko and Sephora, and so now I have some shoes for you guys to see. Hey! So I think I want to start off with Sephora. I love Sephora. Like, when I was in there, like, my jaw just like dropped and like all my dreams came true. You guys don't even understand. I'm so happy. And there's like a Sephora everywhere in Paris, like everywhere. Okay, so the first thing that I'm like so excited for is Renaissance. So I finally got it. I've been dreaming and hoping and wishing for this palette for like my entire life, and now I finally have it, and yay! I have tried it and it is unreal. It's definitely worth the hype. Like, it's Primavera. I can't get enough of it. I love it. It's my go-to. I'm in love. And Love Letter. I love pinks and golds. And yeah, I love this palette, if you can't tell. Next thing I didn't buy, but my sister got for me, it is the Urban Decay Quick Fix Prep Priming Spray. And I did use it a couple of times and it smells so nice. It's like coconut. And it sprays out really nice as well. Like, it covers your entire face. So yeah, I really like this so far. Then another thing that I got was, this is just a backup one because they were so cheap. They were like €2 for like a Z palette from Make Up Forever. So I was like, yeah. This is just what I filled with my own stuff. It fits Inglot stuff perfectly, and it's €2 and it has a mirror and it's like such a good case. So yeah, I stocked up on them. They're so handy to have. Like, why don't beauty gurus use this? And they use like their Z palette, which is so expensive. Like, what is Z palette? Like €20 or something? Something ridiculous. And also, when I was in Sephora, I got a couple of nail polishes. I forgot what they were called for a second. I got this one. Oh my god, I'm such a beauty guru. This one, which is Pretty Sunrise. Oh, the first one was Be a Gentleman. That's funny for a nail polish. Okay. This one, which is kind of similar to Be a Gentleman, is called Urban Fall Days. It's really, really pretty. And finally, I got this last one. It's called You and Me. These nail polishes, like, they apply fine, but the next day they chip, which I was like, they were like €1 each, so I'm not mad. Like, what can I expect for €1? Alright, yeah, it was €1. I was about to say, oh no, Anya, it's $1. And did I get anything else? No, that was Sephora finished. When I was in Ireland, my friend got me this from Brown Thomas. It's a MAC lipstick in the shade Honey Live. Looks like that. And I'm wearing it now. I lost the bag for Kiko, but this is my Kiko haul. Everything's out of its packaging. Like, I threw all the packaging away because I collect packaging so much. All my drawers are just filled with packaging. and I don't know why I do it. It makes zero sense. I'm like, oh, I'll need it for a video or something, but no, I genuinely don't need it for a video. So I decided in the new year to get rid of all my makeup packaging because I don't need it. And so now, like, I feel like so decluttered and like, whew. So yeah, there's no packaging left for any of this shiz. So the first thing I got was this eyeshadow from Kiko. Of course, all these stuff are from Kiko, I think. Yeah. This is in the shade 01. Guys, guess how much this was? $4.50. $4.50. And the shadows are beautiful. I'm wearing them on my eyes right now. In love. Doesn't even cover it. So good. So yeah, that's them. Oh wow. Then I got this mascara. It's called the Luxurious Lashes Extra Volume Brush Mascara. It is unreal. It is so good. It is the best mascara I've ever used, and you guys know that I love that Pennies one, but this one just taps it. But I don't have to use it now because I got lash extensions. Then I got this Kiko Precision Eyeliner. Guys, I did a swatch of this on my hand, and I washed my hands 4 times that day trying to scrub it off. And I went to the water park for, I think it was 4 hours. I was at a water park, which is a really long time, and I still had some of this left. That just tells you how good it is. And yet, like, when I use makeup remover, it comes off right away. So yeah, that's magic. I don't know how that works. Wow. Oh, my hand's so like full of glitter after that, but like, look how fucking black that is, and it's not leaking. Do you know how like some of them like ink into scissors? Yeah, well this one doesn't. Oh, my hand's so glittery. The next thing I got, guys, I'm gonna do swatches of like everything. This is like magic. It is so good. So do you know how like if you get like a glitter eyeliner, they're shit. They just don't work ever. I have an Urban Decay one. I have the Kiko one that's like, I know this is a Kiko, but it's like a different one that's kind of like an eyeliner. And I've also used a different one, can't remember what it was called. But all of them just like separate, they don't go together. But this thing, it's like a completely different formula. Gives the same effect, but it's magic because like they all stay together. Like, what is this, sorcery? So definitely a thumbs up for me. Like, I've used it on my eyes and I'm just like, oh my god. And the last thing I can see is this Kiko highlighter. The whole reason I wanted to go to Kiko, and there's a story behind this. So I got my friend a Kiko highlighter. It was in a haul, my last haul, the one that I went to Madrid in. And I had seen a few like Instagrammers like wear this highlighter, so I was like, I'm in love. And she loves like goldy kind of highlighters, so I bought it for her. And when I saw it on her, I was like, I should have bought that for myself. It is beautiful. It was so pretty. So I was so excited to go to Kiko like the entire time so I could pick up this highlighter. And when I picked it up, I got this shade by mistake. I got the shade 223, and the shade that I really like is 208. But I didn't know, and I didn't have like internet connection to look it up or anything. It's such a beautiful highlight. Like, the formula of these highlighters are just unreal. They're actually eyeshadows, by the way, but I got it in the wrong shade, and it's kind of like almost identical to Rihanna's Fenty Trophy Wife. Do you know how it's so yellow and just not an attractive color at all? Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm raging. But I can't wear that. Like, I just can't. I've tried, and it's so yellow and ugly, and no thank you. So yeah, that was everything from my makeup haul. My bed's a mess now, just full of makeup. I really hope you enjoyed it. I was sitting on my foot the entire time and I can no longer feel it. Ow. 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 Okay, that was it. I promise you guys I'll make more videos. Okay,